Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Today we're making chicken fajitas. Yum, yum, yum. We're gonna do these in the oven, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get our dish here. Toss that right in there. Now I had an onion earlier today, so I'm gonna start with it. Grab one more onion for us. And I'm using chicken breasts. I've already washed them, cleaned them, and sliced them straight across. I don't know how many pounds I should say I'm using, so y'all judge it. Alrighty, let's grab some seasoning. Yeah, I know I love me some onion powder and garlic powder. I'm gonna season my chicken as well. Onion powder and garlic powder. Black pepper, if you will. Grab your pack of fajitas, chicken fajita. And one for my chicken. Because there's a lot of chicken. This is a lot of food, believe it or not. I'm gonna mix this up together like this, ladies and gentlemen. Believe me, when you make this dish, this is going to be your go-to. Coat our chicken very well. All right, looks pretty coated to me. What do y'all think? Y'all in agreement? So we have our veggies and our chicken breasts. Take half of this, just to have a layer here at the bottom. Take half of our chicken. I'm almost gonna like layer it, ladies and gentlemen, if you will. And I'm going to use a can of Rotel. I'm using hot and also mild. Don't want to contaminate our food. Tomatoes around a little bit. Let's add in the rest of our chicken here. This is a definite meal to make on a weekly basis, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you. When you make it, you're gonna love it. I'm telling you. Oh yes, y'all. And let's cover this. If y'all been watching my channel for a minute, everything gets cooked at 350 around this household. Take a peek, it smells good in the kitchen. Remember to pull the foil towards you. Ooh, yes, Jesus. Ooh, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section, what do you like to have with your fajitas? You like sour cream, guacamole, like lettuce, cheese? I'm gonna do mine's up. Y'all gonna make this video this week? Let me know in the comment section. Give the video 2 thumbs up. I appreciate you watching the video today. God bless you, and I will see you again on the next video.